Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold. If you watch my previous analysis on gold, I think gold were around broke the structure right here, and I said I'm expecting a short buy move on gold before a sell, and my reason was because we can see there was a break of trend line around this area right here. So I said there's a possibility we might push up to my negative 27.8 fib level, which is the 2028 around that area, before we now continue to push to the downside. But as we can see, the market did not get to that level before we continue to my downside, because if you look, if I zoom in a little bit, my target was first target, second target around that area, and we can see the target really played really well and more, and I think it's going to my third target, but it didn't get to the uptrend before we continue to push to the downside, which is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete my previous analysis. Let's delete this previously. Let's see, delete this one, delete. So if I zoom in, you can see it's broke the we can see there was a break of trend line around that area, so I see a possible continuation to the downside, and my next target was around this level right here. So let's see what's next based on our current market. We can see I can let's extend this trend line just to see what we are working with, so we can see. So let's see what we might be expecting of this level. I'm still expecting more of a downtrend, but with my push up, and I'm seeing a lot of rook rejection around that area. So but we can see in a bigger time frame there's this big impulse here, so there's a possibility that we might push up a little bit more before we now continue on the downside, but my target is still around this downside here. So let me delete this. Let me use my feet from this current price to this, see how it's placed, because right now where it is, you might just see a little piece push to the weak side around this trend line right here before we now continue to the downside. But I'm still seeing it coming to around that level right there to touch that trend line, and if we break through this to this, that will be my next target if we break the trend line. But right now, let's see how it goes. As long as it doesn't break this trend line, we are still on a downtrend, so let's see how that plays out. So I'm just seeing a little bit push to at least downside around this level first. So let's see how that plays out first, and we will know what next on gold. And if we break out on gold, if you see a breakout of this trend line, then we might probably continue to the upside as well. But as of current price action right now, I'm seeing a little bit of a down trend, maybe to this side right here. Let me use it around that level, then that will now determine what next we are seeing. Hope this is insightful, guys. If you enjoyed this analysis, please don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.